Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to get free Dominuses. And I mean instantly. Instantly. So, the first thing you want to do to get your free Dominus is you need to go to the Chrome Web Store, which you can easily do by typing in Tamper Monkey. Now, this is an extension which causes no viruses. It's very easy to download. It works with Mac, Android, PC, you name it. It'll work for it. I don't think it works for iPads. You know, those computer iPads, but it might. I'm pretty sure it will. But let's just type in Tamper Monkey once more. In the web store, you want to download the first one, spray bottle. So you're gonna go ahead and install it. Alright, so after you've installed it, it needs to come, you'll see it here, and you want to have it enabled. Once you do that, you want to go to my link in the description, and you want to download the Roblox Dominus Spoof Buyer. Now, I created this hack a couple of weeks ago, and I've tried it out a couple of times, and I don't know if it works for my computer, and I'll show you in just a sec. And if it doesn't work for your computer, just leave it down in the comments, and I will fix it. Or if it doesn't work for you, I'll just give away the accounts. So use it in exchange for a subscribe. So if it doesn't work for you, I'll make an account. I'll put the Dominuses on there, and then I'll give them to you, and then you can just sell them to each other, trade them for dumb items and stuff like that. Whatever you want to do with them, I'll give them away. But you have to subscribe. So otherwise, I will not give you the Dominus. So go ahead, click that button. Once you do, it should install. And you will not see it right now. It will not end up here. You must go to Roblox. After you go to Roblox, there should be a whole bunch of extensions. Don't mind all these extensions. They're just except for this one. All these are ones I'm working on, so I will release those later. And these are just accounts. See, each one are just literally accounts that I'll be giving away for you to subscribe, and a lucky winner. Comment down below, I subscribed, leave a like, and yeah. So I'm not gonna use the free codes one. Let's just use Dominus Spoof Buyer. Now you can see here I've already bought the Dominus. So if I type in Dominus, you'll see I already own them. I already own the Dominus, but since my script has gone off, you can see from previous hacks, I have 189,603 Robux. Now, remember this. You subscribe, I'll give you this account. And that's all you have to do. Subscribe, type it in the comments, I subscribed, and I will not give this account away. Keep in mind, I will not give it away till I have at least 1,000 views. All my videos have only 100, so I really need some views so I can produce more hacks for you guys. Now you can see here, everything right here in the Dominus section, I have loaded into the script. So even though this is not a Dominus, I still own it. So keep that in mind. That's why that works. And I have right here the Dominus areas. I have it. Every one of these, I have them. I can actually buy this. Whoa, I cannot. I can buy this Dominus. Yeah, I can definitely buy this Dominus. I'm gonna think about selling it, and yeah. So once I sell, I'll just buy another one with the hack. And anyway, so how the hack works is you're gonna see here. You're gonna press the buy button. This the fire flower. So what I did was I switched it in with another free item. I loaded in some scripts, and I generated a lot of things so you wouldn't say bad page or anything once you do that. So once you press the buy button, since it's gonna load weirdly if you buy it twice though. It's gonna go item owned, here where my mouse is, item owned, item owned, item owned, because then once I reload the page, it'll give me 2 items. But you don't want to do this too much. That's why I'm using a hacker tester. So when I do that, I literally, when I get that, I sell them to myself, which means I get one of my bots as soon as I load it on. I find my name and I buy it for 1 Robux. So I don't get banned. So this is why I have a hacker texter 3000. So anyway, so let's just press the buy button. Buy now. It'll see, you can say item mode, as I said it would do. When I reload the page, it'll say 2 items. So no, someone got my mouth. So anyway, that's how you get free Dominus. I hope you enjoyed my video. Just remember, if if you want to get a Dominus, and if this doesn't work for your computer, I don't know if it, then I'll just give this account away. Keep in mind that I'll give this account away. I already said that, I know, but just yeah. And here's another hack I'm working on, and I personally will release this hack to you if I'll choose a lucky winner. I'll literally give this hack to you, and this will be a script that only you can use. Yeah, that's right, only you can use it, which means that it's most likely to stay on forever. So, whoa, I should have bought this. See, I saw that. Oh, wait, yeah, I did buy it. I'm kidding. Okay, so I already bought that. Anyway, right here, you can see my Robux is just going up. That's why I have so much Robux right there. 189,000 Robux. What I do is I literally just load that, get that loaded onto my other page, and then boom, my Robux just skyrockets. It's amazing. So just remember, you want that, I'll give it to you as long as you subscribe. Remember, I will not do a giveaway unless I'm over 1,000 views. If my channel grows a little bit more, I'll say like 5,000 views. Well, anyway, I know my channel's not very known. I only have 13 subscribers, and yeah, so people, if you want to get these cool hats, keep in mind that all you have to do is just subscribe to my channel, and yeah. So goodbye. I hope you enjoyed my hack. Give some support out, and yeah. So goodbye. I hope you enjoyed.